ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Da kabayas na oktilang bat kari India baro kaway. Kari Bhoi district haka arpu hendreo tarik ubanay kala lingkot arajar arpu ar. Kala Rakhe yaga Republic Day kabalalong ha NSCA mini stadium ha pahams aim nongpo. Menteri Ketenat Transport uba ada sakyat bah lamari uba dalong ru ukongsan hagni gasngi ula penher yaga lamalai rong jong kari harengkat kajing sakhilang jong MLA ka nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds aim ka Deputy Commissioner jong kari Bhoi district ka kong Rosita M Kurba. Superintendent of Police Kari Bhoi Ugiri Prasad but kiwai di ki head officer jong Ketenat Traikam ka Sarkar ki badon hapo kini ka district.
Followed by the 6th MLP Battalion Umran, led by ABSI PS Kacharu. Following their heels are the 6th MLP Battalion Umran, led by ABSI P. Thank you. Next we have the Home Guard Civil Defense led by Mr. G. Mukher. This contingent is deliberately a composite contingent to reflect the unique character of the twin organization of Civil Defense and Home Guards. And last but not least, we have the Platoon Sadio High Secondary School, Ladukwa, led by Ms. Monica Pandey.
Let us on this day pay homage to all the freedom fighters who fought for our country's independence. Let us remember with reverence Meghalaya's own patriots, namely U Tirot Singh, U Kiang Nangba, and Patogan and Sangma, and many other unsung heroes. I would also like to greet the members of the armed forces, the parliamentary forces, and the police force for the selfless services rendered in order to ensure safety for all citizens. Meghalaya has carved out of Assam as an autonomous state in April 1970 and was declared a full-fledged state on 21st January 1972. The state was witnessed a remarkable journey over the last 50 years and has seen significant changes and developments. As we celebrate this momentous milestone in the history of our beautiful state, Meghalaya, it is indeed a proud privilege for me to extend my heartiest greetings to the people of the state on completion of 50 eventful years of statehood. As we celebrate the state's achievements, we must also turn the pages of time to remember and pay tribute to the sacrifices made by the great leaders of the Hill State movement who, through their vision and determination, ensure that we are blessed with a state we can proudly call our own. A comparison of the significant indicators over the last 50 years will show that our state has traversed through paths and progress and development. For instance, in 1971, the population of Meghalaya was only 10,11,699, which has now increased to almost 34 lakhs in 2021. The density has increased to 132 persons per square kilometers in 2011 from 45 persons per square kilometer in 1971. The literacy rate has improved to 74.43% in 2011 from 29.49%. Similarly, the state has seen significant developments in all other sectors like health, agriculture, power, tourism, road and communication. The length of national highway in the state is more than 1,100 kilometers today, which was around 150 kilometers in 1972. Have carried out field visits and joint inspections with their counterpart regional committees from Assam and carried out consultations with the people living in the villages, the traditional heads, district councils and all other stakeholders. Both the Chief Ministers of Assam and Meghalaya met the Union Home Minister on 20th January 2022 in New Delhi, wherein the report was submitted which will be examined and by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Infrastructure like roads, healthcare, drinking water supply and power are key enablers of growth of the economy. In the road sector, expansion and rehabilitation, work for some of the important major district roads under the rupees 1,100 crores World Bank funded integrated transport project is making steady progress. We have built over 1,200 kilometers of rural roads under PMGSY over the past 3 years. In the last 1 year, the state government built an average of 60 kilometers of roads every month. Ensuring that all citizens of the state get drinking water supply at the doorstep has been a priority of this government. Sustained efforts are being made for installation of functional household tap connection at every rural household by December 2022, against the national target of December 2024 under the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme. While in 2019, only about 4,500 households had access to tap water supply, today the coverage has increased to over 2 lakh households. We are the second most improved state in India, and we are striving to cover all the remaining households by the end of this year. In the health sector, state government has initiated the Meghalaya Health Systems Strengthening Project with funding from the World Bank to infuse around rupees 350 crore in a span of 5 years to improve health care infrastructure in the state. In the first phase, healthcare facilities in 156 institutions shall be improved, which shall include renovation and establishment of new infrastructure in various districts of the state.